Good morning, students. You are welcome on the day Tuesday, 7th July 2020 in class Physics of 10th level. Topic is non renewable sources of energies that are being used to produce the electrical light. Our main topic that yesterday we studied that the sources of energy that are being used to generate electrical energy. Although these two main sources of energy you have already studied in junior classes, that renewable sources of energy and non-renewable sources of energy. But here we will study that only the few of them that we use them to produce the electrical energy, and we will have their comparison that how they are better and affordable and their efficiency impact on our society. Three way we will study efficiency, their cost and environmental impact. So we will discuss only these three things in a short. Non-renewable sources of energies. These are the sources of energy which cannot be used again and again. After we use them, their sources become end or finish. We need to find their new sources. So there are many sources, but mainly there are few that coal, natural gas, petroleum, and some of the metals that we find them underneath or under the ground. The first one is a nuclear power. Nuclear power, it is high efficiency as a small amount of uranium is sufficient to generate a large quantity of energy. First of all, how we use the nuclear energy? Nuclear energy is obtained by some of the metal like uranium. We produce the heat by some nuclear reaction. And how we produce the nuclear reaction? We have some nuclear reactor that produce the and used to produce heat, and then afterward heat is being used to generate electrical energy by using big generator. So it is very high efficiency as a small amount of uranium is sufficient to generate a large quantity of energy. Its cost compared to the other sources of energy. Additional cost is involved in the disposal of radioactive waste. Of course, like other sources of energy, it have also the waste, the big problem to dispose of the waste. Heavy water is being used as a coolant in atomic reactor, so it also become poisonous because of the uranium or such like chemical materials. So two times we recycle, we clean it, but after that, that heavy water is no more able to recycle, and then after that it become waste material. The problem of not only the cost but the places where we have to dispose of. Normally, uh, in space, some of the countries put them in a big container and leave them in a space, some of them in a deep water, and some of them under the soil at many kilometers. But the problem of is the one more dangerous problem That is the environmental impact. Waste from the uranium mining can contaminate groundwater and surface water. The problem, the big problem, that mostly the countries put them in a box and keep leave them in a deep sea. Scientists are worrying about that. If by chance these boxes they blast or some happened by the fishes or some other animals like that, that if they break them, of course the surface water will be poisonous. And sea water, not only the surface and the deep, the whole water will be poisonous. And the other thing that some of the scientists are digging them under a deep soil, but of course you know that we use the water for our household use, that we draw them with a pump from the grounds. That is also dangerous for the cultivation and for the water underneath. And the next one is the fossil fuel, nuclear power and the fossil fuel. Fossil fuels, you know that all the natural gases, coal, and the petroleum are called fossil fuels. Fossil fuels, chemical potential energy. You know that all these things are being called chemicals, and all these chemicals have the chemical potential energy. So, chemical potential energy is being used to produce the heat, and heat energy again it is used to generate and produce the electrical energy. Its efficiency, the most countries have well established technology and energy distribution system. The cost is rising due to declining supply, fossil fuel, and the rising demand for energies. You know that demand of the electrical energy is increasing day by day, in throughout the world. But the supply to it is also problem, that many countries when using it in a big problem, big level, big scale, and it become very difficult for the companies to supply them. So due to this, day by day the cost of also it's increasing. Environmental impact, everybody of you know that environmental impact of the gases and the petroleum is very dangerous for the health and environmental. Burning of the fossil fuel result in air pollution, the biggest problem, that fossil fuels when we use them, gases and the petrol and the coal is being mostly used in factories also, but we normally use also the petroleum, and these materials are being used to produce the electrical energy to. So of course the pollution, air pollution, it is increasing day by day because of the, not only because the factories but also for the generating electrical energy. So today we studied and finish our this topic, that how do we use the renewable sources and non-renewable sources to produce electric energy, and we also study about their comparison regarding their efficiency, cost, and environmental impact. All these things you have studied in previous classes, in junior classes in detail. So our aim was only to study that how we use them to produce electrical energy. Thank you and God bless you. Hopefully we will see each other tomorrow.